Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. This is your guy Kareem, the African advisor. Amnesty has started. Please, please, please. I'm requesting to all my African family, of course, and everybody else as well. This is the time to make your documents straight and get yourself legal. Absconds, overstay fines, they've automatically been removed. People who are watching our statuses, WhatsApp statuses, we have been uploading visas. Alhamdulillah, visas are coming out. People who were absconded for 3 years, 4 years, people had no cancellations. Believe me, you don't need anything. All you need to have is your original passport in your hand. And then what we need is just your passport copy, a white passport size picture. If you have the visa copy, fine. If you don't have, still no problem. And police clearance, sometimes it's required, sometimes not. If it's required, we'll apply that for you. These are the only two basic things you need. Your passport copy and the white background picture. And then come to us. We'll process your visas, inshallah. For people who want to go back to their countries, if you have a visa for Dubai, then you'll be going to Dubai Immigration, Al Aviv.